This is the Flagstaff Superlight 29RKWS, the 2019 model. Dual 30-pound tanks, nice big storage area across the front. A spot here to mount your TV. You can set it on that tablet. Let's look at the storage area. Pass through, very, very large, lots of space in here. Power awning. Nice aluminum stairs, large grab handle, outdoor speakers, seen the frameless windows, and this is your cook station, your outdoor kitchen with a fridge, the retractable tables, and the induction plate. Spare tire, of course, preparation for a backup camera, and a roof ladder. This is the Torflex suspension system, aluminum wheels of course, as you can see, but the Torflex system is warranted for up to 10 years. This is a rear kitchen floor plan, one of my favorites. This is a tremendous floor plan given that there's lots of counter space, much more than just about every other floor plan. Lots of storage, cupboard space. There's your fridge and a large pantry. The pantry even has a light in it. Lots of room, look at that. Tons of space in there. In this model we have the freestanding dinette. The sofa that converts to it's a trifold, converts to a queen bed, a very comfortable bed. And of course the TV, fireplace, stereo system, and here we have another lounge, a very comfortable seating area. And the nice feature of a rear kitchen floor plan is that this is a social setting. People are sitting opposite each other and able to converse. The person in the kitchen still is able to be part of the social setting and participate rather than being somewhat isolated. Nice large bathroom that's accessible both from the hallway here and from the bedroom. And fully enclosed shower, sink, vanity, medicine cabinet, skylight, the works. And this is the bedroom slide, or the wardrobe slide I should say, that gives you space both in the bathroom and then of course in the bedroom with all of these closets. Queen size bed, storage over the bed, a vent in the bedroom as well, and lots of space, walk around space, able to access the bed comfortably from both sides. If you can see that in the corner, there's a charging station for your cell phones, electronic devices, etc. And there are 110 outlets on both sides of the bed. Many features that I probably didn't mention, so please come and see this in person at our site in Mono, just north of Orangeville on Highway 10. Thanks for watching this video.